Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to withdraw money from Trust Wallet. Firstly, you need to ensure that Trust Wallet app is updated. Launch the app and access your wallet. From the main screen, tap the Sell button. Now, select the cryptocurrency you wish to sell, then input the amount of crypto to sell. Choose Ramp as the selling platform. Pick the fiat currency you wish to receive, then verify the amount, then tap Proceed. Now, provide the email address to receive a verification code and enter it. Fill your billing address and payout details, then select Send with your wallet to send crypto to the platform. Review all the transaction details carefully and tap Confirm to complete the sale. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.